Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create teams on ASANA, the popular project management tool. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your ASANA account. Now that we've done that, the reason we start here is because you need to have administrative rights to create a team. If you don't have these rights, you'll need to request them from your organization's admin. Next up, find the sidebar on the left side of your ASANA dashboard and click on the plus Add Team button. This helps us because it's the gateway to set up a new team. It's important to note that your interface might look slightly different depending on your ASANA version, but the plus Add Team button should still be in the sidebar. After clicking plus Add Team, a new window will pop up. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the name of your new team. Let me explain why this matters. The team name helps to identify the group of people you'll be collaborating with. It could be based on a project, a department, or any other identifier that suits your needs. Once you've chosen a name, you'll be asked to add team members by entering their email addresses. The reason we do this is to ensure that all the necessary collaborators have access to the team's workspace from the get-go. Remember, you can always add or remove team members later on. Lastly, click the Create Team button. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. ASANA is setting up a separate workspace for your new team, complete with its own tasks, projects, and conversations. And there you have it. You've now successfully created a team on ASANA. This feature allows you to efficiently manage your projects, delegate tasks, and foster collaboration within your organization. Thanks for tuning into the channel today. Remember, creating a team on ASANA is easy and effective, so don't hesitate to utilize this feature to maximize your productivity. Stay organized, and see you